WSA9 News at 7 begins with breaking news from the U.S. Supreme Court. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Charlotte McBride. Supreme Court justices have decided to maintain FDA approval of a commonly used abortion pill. Our Casey Nolan is live at the Supreme Court with reaction tonight. Casey.
Well, Charlotte, let me set the scene for you here. I'll tell you, first of all, we have heard from people who are happy with this ruling. They say they know it's not overthrow because, of course, this is a lawsuit that will still make its way through the court. But for now, access to this medication, to this medical abortion will be maintained. And the people we've talked to here are happy about that. But a couple of surprising aspects I want to tell you about. First of all, potentially kind of surprising that there aren't more people here. There are more press than any sort of protester or anything else. And I say that can be surprising when you think about the previous abortion rights issues we've been down here for before, when we've seen large crowds of people on both sides, all sides of this issue, with the court fenced off. In fact, it's not even fenced off. There are so few people here. Tonight, people are actually kind of hanging out on the steps of the Supreme Court, enjoying the nice weather. The other factor that some consider surprising is this ruling. I talked to a woman who said she was fully prepared for this not to go the way she wanted. So she was surprised pleasantly for her that the access to this medication will be maintained for now as this lawsuit works its way through. She also said that she knows that, in her words, her fight from her side is not over, and they will continue to be here and in other places to advocate for their position, Charlotte.
Yeah, it is surprising that there aren't really any people behind you, especially with an issue like you said that so many people are passionate about. Maybe later in the evening more people will come out, and I know you'll be speaking with a lot of people you see around there, and we'll see you again later tonight at 11. Thanks so much, Casey.